All right, well, you accidentally deleted one of your YouTube videos, and so did I. I'm going to show you how to get it back. Don't go anywhere. Up next. Hey, thanks for stopping by. It's Low for Low Nose. So, like you, I deleted one of my YouTube videos by accident. It was a live stream. It was a 1-hour live stream that I recorded from that I streamed from my phone. And at the end of it, it posted to YouTube. After that, I went ahead and created like a proper thumbnail, gave it a proper title and all that stuff. About a day later, I started to notice that within my channel on the video list, that video was actually showing twice. One is the fully completed uploaded video with the proper thumbnail and the title, and it also showed as another upload error, as if like the video didn't finish uploading to YouTube. So I left it like that for about a day, and I'm like, this upload error is really kind of annoying me because it kept on showing that it was still trying to upload the same video to YouTube. So what I decided to do was try to delete the upload error, and I did that. I swiped left, pressed delete, and along with getting rid of the upload error, I also accidentally got rid of my video. Not really sure how that happened, but unfortunately it happened. So like you, I'm here scouring the internet looking for ways to kind of bring back or restore my YouTube video. I saw videos or forums or topics like go to archive.org and they'll like reset the internet, whatever. It was stupid. It didn't even work. And I saw various accounts of people who actually reached out to YouTube and said that they were able to get their videos restored, but at the same time, there were other people who said that they tried the same thing, it did not work for them. So I'm going to give you proof of my accounts of it actually working for me. As far as if there's like certain criteria to actually get your video back, not sure, but I'm going to share with you every single thing that I did. All right, so first thing, you want to make sure that you are a YouTube partner. If you're not sure you're a YouTube partner, then you're probably not a YouTube partner. This is what actually activates the monetization into your videos and such and such. Secondly, you want, and on top of that, being a YouTube partner gives you direct access to email to YouTube for content creators. Secondly, I also had a copy of the link to the video. Luckily, I was able to share the video an email link with a couple of friends. So luckily, I had that available when they requested it. And of course, as always, whenever you kind of uploaded any kind of video, you always want to make sure that you have the backup saved on your computer just in case something like this happens. But for me, I had no choice because I streamed it live on my phone. All right, so let's jump on the computer. I'm going to show you exactly how to contact YouTube so you can try to get your YouTube videos restored after being deleted. Let's go. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to show you this desktop recording that I did earlier. I had a feeling that if this did work out, I'd probably want to record this for you guys so I can show you how my video was actually deleted. So I'm in my YouTube channel right now, and I will go to videos, and within my playlist where I have my live streams, you can actually see how the video that I recorded or that is now deleted is there. In the playlist, you can see how there it says deleted video. The third one is deleted, but I really don't care about that video. It's the first one that I want to get back, or that I wanted to get back during the time. There you go. This video has been removed by the user. All right, so let's go back to my channel, and we're going to scroll all the way down where it says help. Okay, just click on help, and then you're going to go to need more help. Yeah, need more help with a question mark. Once you go into there, you're going to get creator support. It's through here that if you are a partner in the partnership program with YouTube, you will have access to this get creator support. Now continue going down all the way to the bottom where it says channel and video features. That's where you want to go. And from here, you have the option for the email support. And then fill out all the information with your first name, your last name, your email address, of course, your channel URL for your YouTube channel. That should be there by default. And they'll ask you, how can we help you? And you actually put a description of, hey, I recently deleted a video by accident. Can you please help me? They will also ask you, is this an issue for a specific video? Yes. Is this a request for a verification badge? You'll put no. And of course, if you have any kind of imagery or documentation or like maybe a JPEG or a desktop file or anything that might help or support you, you can actually upload that attachment here. So, all right, that is it. Once everything is filled out, make sure you are as specific as possible. Go ahead and press submit. Now for me, I think it was about 4 hours until I got this very first email from the YouTube partner support. So it goes on and says, "Hi, and thanks for contacting the YouTube creator support team. We got your message that you need help with an issue, but wanted to let you know that we're currently experiencing higher than usual volumes." I'm suspecting this is from the whole change for the YouTube creator thing for the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. They've been just kind of like bombarded with that. We're doing everything we can to get back to you within 1 business day. Heads up, they got back to me in probably like 2 or 3 days after this email. But there may be a delay in our response, so we can help you as quickly as possible. Make sure we have your channel URL and the videos you need help with by replying to this email with your info. If you've already sent this over, thanks. You don't need to do anything else. One of our specialists will reach out to you as soon as possible, the YouTube creator support team. So just in case, after I see this email, I went ahead and sent a link to my channel anyway, and also sent the link to the video, to the previous deleted video that I had. Now, thankfully, I have this link because I sent this link out to a couple of friends in an email. So luckily, it's not like I had to go finding the email. It was just something I could actually grab onto and send it to them. Whether this was a case that this was actually reason why they found my video, whatever, but I'm just glad I had the actual link to the video. Okay, so fast forward 2 days later, I do get a response from YouTube. "Hey, Lonane, thanks for contacting YouTube creator support. I'm sorry to hear that your video was deleted. For me to look into this, please fill out all the information in braces. Kindly make sure that you include the whole template when you send it back to us." So all I did right here was I grabbed this entire thing and I copied and pasted this. Okay, and then I just deleted the insert video URL and I pasted my own video URL there. And to please certify that you're owner of this channel, all I did was just delete the mark. And of course I left these the yes in. And then please certify that you're requesting the YouTube team to reinstate this deleted video on your behalf. Again, I just deleted the mark and I just put the yes. And then to extent permitted by applicable law, I agree to defend, I indemnify, and hold harmless YouTube, and yada, 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 yada. I did all that stuff. And all I did was just put my name and my date right here. And I just pressed forward, give you a sense of what it looked like. This is exactly what I did. All right. And then just put my name here and the date and sent it off. And the gentleman responds, "Hey, Lonane, good news. Your video has been reinstated. Please make sure to keep a raw file of your videos." Of course, I can't do that because this was a live stream, so that your viewers would still have access to your content in case it gets deleted. Hope this helps. Feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. All the best, Mitch. Thank you so much, Mitch, from the Google YouTube team. So yeah, so that's how you do it. Of course, I have heard different stories where people, they did the same thing. They put all the information and they were not able to reinstate their videos. So this is really a shot in the dark, but this is proof that it actually works. I know there's some people who are debunking this, saying that this does not work, but it actually does work. And let's go back to my channel. We'll go to the playlist and we can see that my video is now back there where it once was deleted. And that is it. All right, guys, that is it. That is how I got my video reinstated on my channel. I hope this will be just as easy for you, but I wanted to give you as much detail as I could so you have a really good sense of what you need to do and what kind of things that you need to have prepared when reaching out to YouTube. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you love the video, go ahead, leave comments down below if you have any other additional questions or you want to share your stories about how your videos got deleted on YouTube and how you actually got them back or how you're not getting them back. I'd really love to hear your stories. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care.